Practice what you're going to say. Reading it in your mind is one thing, and saying it out loud is a whole different thing. You'll find out which are the words that trip you, plus you can practice voice inflection, the rise and fall of your voice. When people are nervous, they tend to blink really fast. So be cautious about your blinking and try to blink just a little bit slower. But don't forget to blink. Move your hands with intention, for example, to emphasize importance. Some people forget about them and start doing repetitive movements with their hands, which can be very distracting. Everyone has their own preference on this, but I like to break away once or twice from the camera to make it more conversational. Understand that you'll always be a bit nervous, and that's perfectly normal. Just do it. Nervous, but do it. Practice makes perfect. Bonus! Okay, please record yourself. By recording myself, I found out that I tap this little pinky finger like crazy. Just the pinky.